First of all, I would like to say good evening to everybody. Today we are going to see what is macro of in the Microsoft Excel, and we have also know about and we have also know in Microsoft Word there is also we get a macro, and same as Microsoft Excel there is a macro option which is very important and useful for operator who to want in work in Microsoft Excel. Then if we know about Microsoft Excel, then first of all we will have to open Microsoft Excel. So before opening the Microsoft Excel, we talk how something different method, uh, which is due to that we are open we are able to open Microsoft Excel. So we know very well we have a three method, we have three options for opening the Microsoft Excel. First is we can double click if you have made a shortcut of micro desktop in your system, and here second is if you haven't made a shortcut in the desktop of your system, then you can go my computer, and after that we'll have to go C programming language, C drive, and after that you go program file. After that we'll have to go uh, Office, and there you get Office 12, and if you as soon as you are open Office 12, you get uh, Excel option. There if you double click or single click, okay, you can open Microsoft Excel. And third option is you can press window plus or shortcut key, and like that, as soon as you press a window plus or shortcut key, then you will have to you get run option, and here you will have to write Excel, Excel. After that you will have to click OK command button. As soon as we get Microsoft Excel windows, there will have to get something 1 2 3 4 7 menu bar, and such as we are going to talk about Microsoft Excel's option, which is very important, that is called macro. So for getting a macro option, we'll have to click view menu bar. So we click here, and after that uh, we press anywhere. Suppose that we want to make a macro for increment, then we click here and press 1, and here suppose that we press 1. After that click here and we press equal sign. After that we take address of here and can press plus option. After that here our address, and click OK or enter command button. Now we go menus, views options of macro, which is the last options of views menu bar. Like here we go here and click here, and we get record macro. So first you if you click here view macro, there is no macro, so how can you say macros? So first of all we'll have to record macro, so click here record macro. After that you get a new window, record macro. Then there is a macro name option, so you can give here macro name. Suppose that we have given INCREMEN team increment, and also you can create a shortcut, like such as very well. If you want to save your application document, you press control plus S for open, control plus O for print, control plus P. Same as if you want to use with shortcut, then you will have to give a shortcut. So there is a control also, and only you have given we will have to give characters like A to Z. Suppose that we have given W for macro, and now if we click Control plus W, then definitely we can run. We are able to run. We are able to run uh, our macro, which is we have made. So now there is also description option. So if you want to give a description, then you also have given. Suppose that we have given macro, we have given, we have made macro for increment the value. After that we click a command OK command button. Now our macro is start. So after starting macro, we click here and right click or control. You can also use shortcut for copy, control plus C, and here you go and right click, right click and go paste special option. Here we get a paste special dialog box. There is a lot of options. Suppose there are all formulas, values, format, comments, validation. There is a lot of. So we will have to values option and we click OK. Now we see before paste special, here is value 2 because here we had given 1 and here 1 plus 1 equal to. Now after that, as soon as we have paste that value 1 2 of here, then we get 2 plus 1 equal 3. Our macro is start. Now we can also stop the macro. So we are again we go macros options and we click here for stopping the macro. Now our macro is stopped. Now, such as we know very well, we have remember our shortcut is Control plus Q. If we press Control plus Q, sorry, Control plus W, then we are able to see our values also auto increment. Yes, you are able to see. Now, if you want to, uh, if you want to your macro, you also want to become a button like you can take a shape here. From here we can take shape here, yes, and we can assign here, yes. After that we will right click and go assign the macro and select your macro name and also go. Now again, if you have two options, or shortcut or click the your button. If you want to press shortcut Control plus W, your macro is also increment, and same is like work, you can say click the here, yes. So this is a macro option which is very useful. You have given lot of time your in tape recorder or CD player or anywhere, there is many type. There you will get a command button or button, there you will click and your option auto increment. So like same. So thanks you we are able to see and macro option. Now we will create it. Okay.